Today's video is all about resizing images. If you own a Shopify store or help out with one, you've definitely had an issue getting your product images to be the perfect size. And yes, I know there are free tools on the market like Canva that can help you out with this. But here's the problem with a tool like Canva. You have to download the image from Shopify, and you have to upload to Canva. Then you have to edit the image and resize it. Then you have to re-download it from Canva, re-upload to Shopify. There's already so many steps in that process. And if you have more than a few images, it's gonna take you forever, okay? Listen, I wanna save you some time, and apparently so does Shopify, because they recently built in image editing and image resizing tools directly into the Shopify admin. I am gonna show you how to use them in this video. Now, before we get started, I actually have a special announcement. I'm running a giveaway contest on the channel right now, and the winner of the contest gets free Shopify development help from me, an actual Shopify expert. So if you've been having issues with your store, this is definitely something that might be interesting to you. If you want to hear more about the contest, make sure you stick around to the end of the video where I'll be talking more about it. All right, let's get started. Okay, I've taken you to a preview of one of the test stores that I have called Appless Wishlist. If you've watched videos on the channel before, you know I use this Shopify store for literally everything. So we're gonna navigate towards products, and we are going to take a look at a product. Let's take a look at this one, because the person that's displaying the product, you know, the watch, right? That person's in the background. So we're gonna see if we can erase the person from the background, as well as resize this image. So we're gonna click on edit the image, and we're taken into the free editor that Shopify provides to us to allow for us to make changes to the image. On the right hand side, you see some options. You see crop and rotate, you see draw, you see resize, this is the one we want, or you see enhance background. So first, let's enhance the background. It's analyzing the image, and you'll see it actually isolates the important piece of the image and gets rid of the person in the background. So let's say I wanted to move the person from the background. I can say remove, and boom, they're gone. This is actually crazy. And then they give me some options that I can use to put the product, like some backdrops that I can use. And you can also do some prompting to create a background on your own. Now this one you might have to play around with a little bit, because I'm not sure what AI language model Shopify is using to do this. So you'll have to play around to get the background that you want. But for now, let's try the studio one. And then describe the subject. I'm gonna say pink watch. And now we generate. So you see it's generating an image, a background image I can use. Would you look at that? This is a really simple backdrop for the image. Let's say I click done, and let's say I go in and I resize the image. I don't want it to be 533 by 533 anymore. Let's say I want 400 by 400, right? Boom. And then I can just click done. And just like that, we're able to easily edit the image. Now, this is actually crazy for those of you that struggle with taking product photos. Now, you can probably just snap some photos on your iPhone or on your camera of the product in whatever environment, remove the background and add your own background to it, resize it, get it to look perfect for your product pages. Okay, so that about does it for the content of the video. I'm gonna record the end of the video now. Let me just undo all of this. Okay, and just like that, you're able to easily resize your product images, remove the background, replace it, lots of different options to you. So for those of you that have been struggling with getting good product images, this is definitely gonna help you out. Now, if you stuck around to this point, I'm assuming you wanna hear more about that contest I mentioned, right? I'm gonna talk about that right now. All right, you made it to the end of the video. I wanna thank you personally for sticking around with me this long. And as promised, I'm gonna tell you more about the contest I mentioned at the beginning of this video. So this contest is gonna be a free giveaway contest in which the winner will win free Shopify development help from me, an actual Shopify expert. So whether you need to do a website redesign, fix a bug on your Shopify store, add some new features, or whatever it is, I'm gonna be available to help you out. So if that sounds interesting to you at all, make sure you hit the link in the description down below and enter the contest. Now, when the contest is over, I will be announcing the winner of the contest on a video for the channel. So stay tuned for that, and I really hope you enter. Hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of the video, and yeah, I can't wait to see you on the next video.